Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You have Powerapps Studio open and a bound form. Now start adding a data card. First, make sure the form is in edit mode and the data source fields are available. Select the form, then choose plus add field. This immediately injects a data card placeholder. Once added, unlock the card to edit its controls and properties. This unlock allows you to change layout and control types. Do this now so you can customize label, input, and validation without delay. Once the data card is unlocked, swap or add controls to match the data type. Text input for strings, drop-down for choices, toggle for booleans. Make sure to set the card's default and update properties so the form reads and writes values correctly. For validation, use if and as match or other logical tests inside the card's error message and display mode logic. This ensures users see instant feedback. Also, align label and input sizes so the card stays usable across screen sizes and orientation. To finish, test the form by creating and updating records, then submit or patch to the data source. Observe how the data card values map to fields. If something fails, open, monitor, and inspect the network call and returned errors. Make sure update formulas return the correct data type and that required fields are not blank. If validation blocks saving, refine your checks. Finally, relock the data card to prevent accidental edits and document the card's custom formulas for future maintenance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.